could go and read your mind. Think about your dumb face all the time. Living in your glass house, I'm outside, looking into big blue eyes. Did it just to hurt me, make me cry? Smiling through it all, yeah,